What's up guys, I am Tech, welcome to our territory. The Samsung Galaxy Ultra goes big in every way imaginable. With 108 megapixel photos, a 100x camera zoom, 40 megapixel selfies and 6.9 inches 120Hz display. With over-the-top internal specification, you will pay more for this phone than any non-portable phone before it. But that's not surprising. What is surprising are some of the bugs we have counted that keep the Ultra from reaching its full potential. Let's begin. The Galaxy S20 is a Samsung biggest Android phone and its most daring sales pitch. You can own the world's most advanced 5G phone with massive camera specification if you are prepared to spend more money than ever on a non-portable smartphone. The Ultra is designed for early adopters and three things stand out. It has a massive 6.9-inch display with next-gen fluid scoring tech that will stretch your hand, 5 cameras to capture 108 megapixel photos, 40 megapixel selfie, and 8K video, and 5G antennas with peak speed 66 times as fast as 4G LTE. It's nice jump for the Galaxy S20 and S10 Plus cameras, although issues with inconsistent autofocus and overexposure keep the Ultra from being the best camera phone until Samsung issues an update. The 48 megapixel telephoto lens allowed us to get up close and professional with far away subjects thanks to an impressive variety of zoom lenses. It far surpasses the 2x optical and 10x digital zoom of previous Samsung phones and the limited 8x digital zoom on the Google Pixel 4, although 100x zoom snaps were hardly Instagram worthy. The S20 Ultra has a monster specification list: 12GB or 16GB of RAM and 128GB or 512GB of internal storage to kick things off. Yeah, there is also a huge 5000 mAh battery for pulling down battery intensive 5G signal, although we found it could only last more than 24 hours in 4G mode. There is a return of the in-screen fingerprint sensor for last year's phone, but it sadly is the first S phone without 6.5mm headphone jack. It's possible to justify that the Galaxy S20 Ultra price for everyone, even those who bought the S9 Plus or S10 Plus are intending to get the next big one from Samsung. For other thoughts, the word upgrade means a completely different thing. They want a phone that pushes new boundaries, and they don't mind if that pushes the price tag. Some good news thoughts: you are probably not going to need a max out the storage, even or ever accelerating move the cloud, and the fast that 5G connectivity will allow you to easily pull down remotely stored data. Plus, all the models of S20 have a micro SD slot for expanding the storage by up to 1TB in case you do hit the bullet in capacity. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is made of glass and aluminium. There is no ceramic version this year and comes in just two colors: Cosmic Gray and Cosmic Black. The Cloud Blue color is exclusively to the S20 and S20 Plus, while Cloud Pink is an option with a smaller S20 size. And there is a steel curve on the right and left edges of the screen. Yeah, there is a steel curve on the right and the left edges of the screen. Thought it's much less pronounced compared to past S phones. Sadly, that does not mean fewer accidental presses of the near. It is also higher at 220G, roughly in between the S10 Plus at 175 and the Galaxy Fold at 276G. Let me know down the comments below what your thoughts about the phone. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.